Hi friends, my name is RAJASEKHAR Reddy, and if you are seeing my video for the first time, just don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. In the last video we have seen we created one Spring Boot application, we built one Docker image and we finally pushed that Docker image to Docker Hub, and finally we pull that Docker image to our local and we run in the local. I made a video on that, just go there and check it out. In this video, without using any command line interface, we are using, there is one Maven plugin is there. With that we are going to see how exactly we are going to automate. We will build one Docker image and the Maven plugin will take care of pushing that image to Docker Hub. We will see in this video. For that, what I am trying to do is I am trying to create a new Spring project here. I am giving the project name as Spring Boot Docker Maven. After that, just click on next. Here I am only adding one web dependency in order to expose one REST endpoint. Click on finish. I am trying to open the pom.xml file and we will going to use that plugin here. What I will do is, here only one dependency is there, that is nothing but web dependency. I am trying to add this Maven plugin here. Here I am giving in the plugin section, I am adding it. Here what the plugin is nothing but we need to give your Docker Hub user ID here. After that it will take the project.artifact ID name. Finally, as part of our Maven install only, it will internally call build and push Maven goals. And what I am trying to do is I want to give one name here, the jar name here. What I will do is let me use this name only, Spring Boot Docker Maven. This is my final jar name. Okay. Now we are good with the pom.xml file. Now what I am trying to do is, in order to work with Docker, we need to have Docker image here, Docker file. Right click new. I am trying to create a file. The file name should be Docker file. The file name should be in the same case. Here we need to use these properties in order to work with Docker. I am using OpenJDK 8 and I want to expose the port number 9090, and I want to pick the jar file from the target folder, and the jar name should be the jar name is Spring Boot -Docker -Maven, and finally I want to build the image with the same name, Spring Boot -Docker -Maven.jar, and in the entry point I am giving Java -jar, and we need to give the jar name here. Okay, we are good with the Docker file also. What we need to do is, I am trying to create one REST endpoint here. A REST controller. Trying to import it. Writing one method here, which will return one string. Welcome to Spring Boot Docker Maven. I am giving this just one message here in order to see whether the REST endpoint is working or not. Get mapping / hello. I am trying to save it. What I will do is, before running this application, we need to make sure you need to log into that Docker hub. What I will do is, I am trying to open Docker quick start terminal. I am trying to log in it. Docker login. Click on enter. You can see that the login has succeeded. Here what I will do is, I already signed into my Docker Hub account. You can see that 9 minutes ago only one jar is pushed, that is spring-boot. Now I am trying to push one more jar. What I will do is, just go to your STS, and what I am trying to do is, I am right click, run as Maven install. As part of Maven install, it is trying to build a jar out of it. After that, it is trying to build a Docker image. After that, finally it is going to push that image to Docker Hub. You can see that it will take for a while to finish all the steps. You can see that the image is getting built, and it is trying to complete all the steps in the Docker file. It is trying to push the image to the Docker Hub. You can see that it is trying to preparing, waiting, pushing, and mounting. You can see that it got pushed. Let's go and see into the Docker Hub account. Trying to refresh it. You can see that it got pushed with the jar name springboot-docker-maven. What I will do is, just go to my profile, trying to open this jar image. You can see that it got pushed to our Docker Hub account. If anyone want it, just they can pull to the local machine and they can run it. In this video, we created one normal Spring Boot application, and we added one Maven plugin in order to push our Docker image to Docker Hub. And as part of the Docker file, we have written some steps here. And finally, when you do a Maven install, it is trying to create a jar out of it. After that, with the jar, it is trying to create a Docker image from our local, and it is trying to push the Docker image to Docker Hub account. That's it for this video. And if you are seeing my video for the first time, just don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. And I will place my source code in the GitHub, and I will provide link in the description. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching.